Installing quality both Explorer wheel spacer can make the ride quality better by widening the track. In general, a wider track means more grip in almost every application, even if you don't change the stock wheels and tires. The more track width, the better the handling of curves and swerving, and the better the rollover resistance. With quality wheel spacers, you'll experience more comfortable driving. When choosing safe wheel spacers, material selection can be very important. Considering the strength and rust-proof needs, brilliant aluminum is more suitable. Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is sure that the designs are exquisite and geared towards improving performance. A key advantage of BONOSS wheel spacer is the active cooling feature. These wheel spacers are designed with pintle-shaped grooves. The grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, actively dissipating heat for the braking system.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!